Here's a look at a Bougainvillea arborea, and I think it's in the family Nyctiginaceae. I may be saying that wrong, but just a massive form on this thing. Obviously, it's not being pruned and maintained like you would see in landscapes, but anyway, Bougainvillea arborea, I think. Let me try to zoom in on, a lot of these flowers are kind of spent. So yeah, I'm sorry, I confused myself. Bougainvillea arborea, and get up on the trunk and see it doesn't appear to be too terribly armed. If that's doing it any justice. I know it's shady in here, so you might not be getting it. It doesn't look like the stems are armed either, which is a nice benefit. And again, this is at Fairchild Botanical Gardens. I'm just walking back out. I'm going to get you a sort of a wider frame shot. So bear with me. You can look at the landscape while I do this. So there's a hypheny in the way, but if I get around here, you can see the scale of the Bougainvillea arborea in Nyctiginaceae. This September at Fairchild. Just to give you an idea of, it might bloom all year long, but this is September.